Guys, nagala na po mi ni Shalala guys. Shout out to my vlog, baby. Shout out. Shout out. Gay manguha si uy namay kuan bibi. Duyan. Mao din ni ang diri guys. RGB di pre. RGB with marang on the ground. That is the native fruits which is very yummy. Birya, bugat. How you know, bukton. Shout out, bibi. Shout out. Shout out. Hey, shisho. Sakit mo bukton, bi. Grabe ha. Morning walk kami, guys. Here in RGB Farm and Resort. But this is underdeveloped, no? What can you say about this place, Bibi? So nice. The ambience is very. I feel tired. Together with this Bibi. Who's it, Bibi? Shout out, Bibi. Shout out. Shout out. Alright, we'll be right back. Hi guys, Nana Midori. Wow, it's so beautiful for a couple. But suddenly, heartily, oh my God, there is no. Oh, the beauty is very. The sunrise or sunset? The sunrise. Mauni ang RGB guys. If you have any partner in life, just brought it here and make this fuck heart. Oh my God, morning. Shout out, be. Shout out. Wow, kagwapo diri, uy. Tawa. Wow. Smile. Guys, palayo tas kasing-kasing guys. Beauty guys, oh. Gwapo ka diri, guys. Pag naman yung anak, gwapo ka diri, guys. Magmuni-muni. Dito may gwapo kay pre. Kato may gwapo kayo pre, no? Dito ba? Sino kayong kwan ba? Paano ito? No? Shalala! Alada, shalalala. Shalala in the morning. Alright. Pagkagwapo sa nature. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home.